So hey guys, just want to do a quick little video here discussing, that LED problem I had in the rear. Well, the one here, this left-hand corner here, that was hyper flashing. Well, I reached out to allalighting and they sent me a brand new set of these bulbs. So I'm really impressed, guys. They're identical to what I had. I haven't opened these up yet. But I just wanted to share that with you. If you guys are looking for a bulb, a great LED bulb, definitely check out allalighting. They stand behind all their products. They even gave me a prepaid return shipping label. You just take the other ones out of the rear, the defective one, put it back in the envelope, slap the label on it, and ship it back. Very easy, doesn't cost you anything. Here's a website, guys, I would highly recommend for all your bulb needs. Check them out. Especially since we can spend a lot of money on these things. Having a company that stands behind you is priceless, I think, unless you're just going to keep buying bulbs. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are looking for anything, definitely check them out. They have all kinds of bulbs for all cars. So definitely give them a check, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks again.